For watching how to set up your Apple AirTag.
Tags. The first thing you're going to do is turn your Bluetooth on. When your Bluetooth is on, this will automatically pop up.
That's how easy this is. You can get watch bands for your kids and stuff. Put them on their backpacks. There it goes. Find my. Push done. And that's how easy it is. So when you want to find your AirTag, you're just going to hit this. And then you hit items instead of devices. It's not in the devices. It's in items. And then you can see I got my Honda keys here. Push that button. I'm going to show you how it works. Play sound. You can do that, or you can go like this and find it in location, and you walk up to it and go close or far away, and it has like a meter, and you can actually find your keys. Pretty cool. After iOS 17, you can now add a person. You put add. You can't do it with kids, but you can add adults. So add, and then hit continue, and then you can add the person you want right here. Click on it. How easy that is. And at the bottom, you can hit rename, and you can name whatever you want these to be, and you could just edit that. And then you'll hit done. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up.